Hey everyone, I'm Jeremiah from Epilogue Laser.
I'm Harris with Brother DTG.
I'm Mark Suadonik, Textile Application Specialist with GSG.
I'm Matt Meany. I'm an Application Specialist with Kornit Digital Americas.
Hello everybody, Victor Pena with Omniprint International. Super excited to invite you guys to the NBM Breakaway session number 6.
I'll be presenting laser applications for decorated apparel and accessories, where you'll learn about products that you can create with your laser for the clothing and apparel industry.
Join us November 18th to learn how you can maximize the power of your DTG printer by printing on all of these items, and get tips about printing that you wouldn't be able to get on a busy trade show floor.
Join our experts as they reveal the hottest equipment, products, tips, and tricks for profitable business. Whether you're new to the industry or established, discover the new technologies and grow your business today.
I'll be showing you what print-on-demand efficiency looks like with Kornit direct-to-garment technology.
We're going to show you how to build an e-commerce business with direct-to-garment and print-on-demand. Omniprint will be super excited to see you guys there. Thank you so much.
See you there.
And we'll see you there.
Can't wait to see you there.